In this video we are going to research on a few topics about cell and its functions, structure and facts. A cell. Cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. A cell is the smallest constituent of our body. They are capable to perform all the activities important for life. A group of cells which perform a similar function make up a tissue. Facts about cells. Did you know about a fact that our oldest ancestors were single-celled organisms? What scientists believe to be our oldest ancestor, the single-celled organism named Luca, likely lived in extreme conditions where magma met hot water. In fact, you, like every other human on the planet, started out as a single cell, a zygote, or the product of fertilization. Discovery of a cell. Cells were discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He discovered cells while observing a cork-dead cell walls of plant cells. Under his microscope, he found many box-like structures huddled together. These were dead plant cells. Living cells were observed by Anton van Leeuwenhoek for first time using an improved microscope. Cell theory. It was the work of three eminent German biologists, Theodor Schwann, Matthias Schleiden, Rudolf Virchow, in 1838 that conceptualized the cell theory. The key postulates of this theory states that all living organisms are made of cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. New cells arise from old cells. These postulates of the cell theory form the basic principles of biology. According to the number of cells, they are broadly divided into two: unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular. Multicellular. Unicellular organisms. A unicellular organism, also known as a single-celled organism, that consists of a single cell. They fall into two types. Prokaryotic organisms. All prokaryotes are unicellular and are classified into bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic organisms. Many eukaryotes are multicellular, but some are unicellular, such as protozoa, unicellular algae, and unicellular fungi. Facts about unicellular organisms. Valonia ventricosa, a species of alga with a diameter that ranges from 1 to 4 centimeters, are among the largest unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms carry out all the life-sustaining functions such as growth, movement, digestion, excretion, respiration and reproduction under a single cell. The world's largest single-celled organism is an aquatic alga. It is also called Caulepaera taxifolia. It can grow to a length of 12 inches. Multicellular organisms. A multicellular organism is an organism that consists of more than one cell. All species of animals and plants are multicellular. They are macroscopic. Multicellular organisms arise in different ways, for example by cell division or by aggregation of many single cells. Colonial organisms are the result of many identical individuals joining together to form a colony. Facts about multicellular organisms. In humans, cells differentiate early in development to become nerve cells, skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, and other types of cells. A multicellular organism develops from single cells into a collection of many different cell types, organized into tissues and organs. Nostoc is the smallest multicellular organism. Nostoc are prokaryotic and are grouped with bacteria. The cell lacks membrane-bound organelles and genetic material is found disposed in the cytoplasm. They are kept in cyanobacteria as they are photosynthetic. I will be uploading my next video on cell structure, shape and size soon. Till then. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe this channel. Do like, share and recommend my videos to others.